Definitely not off to a good start. I rode by this trap yesterday evening, and I mean, it looked good. Someone dug it up out of the bed. Typically, if it's not fired, I attribute that to coons. I don't know, I don't see anything definitive here. I got another set right up here that has seen no action. A flat set using a snapping turtle. Hey bud! There's my snapping turtle. So I got some lure under there, here, and then my trap is here, kind of Zagger style. No dirt over it, just grass. And that's taking over an inch of rain, and it's looking like a champ in my opinion. That other one not so much. We gotta get it fixed. Yay. This doesn't too much look like something was here very long. And this is kind of just a trail that I found crossing this woods road. There's a little drain. There's a kind of a drain there and a drain back off in there. So could be deer, because it doesn't look like anything was here long enough to stir up anything. But flat set, had a little T-bone right there, a little scat right there, right in the middle of the road. Disappointed that it's taking this long and still ain't really got any action. They do have a trail camera there, so we'll see if we got any kind of indication of what happened. Overall, the sets aren't looking too bad after the rain. You can see, I mean, heck, that's not bad at all. My dirt hole's washed in, so I gotta brush it out. Still taking some time just
still
to kind of.
Better, but stain was here.
Just taking some time to dust up the line after
You know why
rain.
that rock's here, Sky? Because that's the plate where the animals had to eat the plates.
What?
Yep.
There you go. The dirt hole washed in a little bit. I will have to say, these flat sets with the grass, kind of Zagger style bedding, crushing. I can't believe nothing. I've got no activity on that goose carcass. That's really hurting my feelings. We're supposed to spice these things up a little bit and put a little extra bait and lure on them. Holiday, boy, I was needing that. My spirits have been some kind of low. Look at there. Got an old song dog this morning. It ain't the. God, it's kind of ugly, honestly.
Yep, it is.
Man alive, I'm sure proud to see him, especially after all the remakes and missing we've been doing. It's kind of an ugly looking coyote. We'll have to look at him closer. I don't know if he's worth
He
keeping.
looks like a horse.
It's like a horse. I don't know about that. Let's get him dispatched. Uh-oh. Yeah, I don't know if he's gonna ride with us. He's kind of mangy looking. Dang. Hate to catch a mangy looking coyote. What you think?
Good.
All right, so here's the remake. This was actually, I took a deer head from a deer that I killed a couple weeks ago and staked it right here. All this was real kind of thick with brush, and this was just a little opening here. So I staked the deer head down, put some Kott's Bros Toxie Dog, a little bit of 1-800, their call lure somewhere over here, and some red fox urine. So the skull is gone, but I still got some of the, you can see some of the ear and some of the hide. So I staked the rest of that down, just using a 9-inch like a gutter spike, and kind of made a little trash pile there. I've got my trap here bedded with some grass covering to keep that thing operational. And I put some more Toxie Dog on there, and I put a little Rusty Johnson's Justice back in a little punch hole to kind of keep it going. And here's our old coyote. It's not the prettiest thing. You can see, I guess it's maybe getting the onset of the mange with his tail. You can see it's missing some patches, so hate that. Hate we don't get to skin him, but we probably did him a favor anyway. Or, let's see, that's her. Alright. May have jumped the gun a little bit in setting this entire trap up, but those pigs came in so easily and readily. I went ahead and put the whole trap up. I probably won't even worry too much with trying to catch them tonight. I just want them comfortable coming in. I put a little extra corn. I put some right outside the front to kind of entice them in, and then a bunch right inside the gates. Hopefully they'll get there rooting around. They just won't be able to stand it. Take a few extra precautions because I got 10 pigs coming into this location. So I hammered down each one of these stakes as far down as it will go. They won't go down very much. But then I've got the middle of every panel, I've got a T-bar stake driven in. I don't want to lose any more pigs. That hurt my feelings. And you can see my electrical taped up job, making sure my tripod leg, I gotta order me another tripod leg because that's pitiful. Maybe they won't destroy it when they get caught, but I'm excited. I think we'll see some action in here tonight. Like I say, I may not worry with trying to catch them tonight. They've been coming in pretty early too. So we'll see what we got. If we get all 10 of them in there, we may throw it. We'll see.